review that I'm super excited about because it's a unit that I picked up from Nadula Hair. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I am really trying to hit that 70K. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So if you're an oldie but goodie, you know how long we've been rocking with Nadula, and I'm excited about this review because it is their anniversary sale. So that just about everything on the website is on sale. They're running all these specials, and they've been around for so long, and I feel thankful to say that I've been rocking with them for most of those years. So happy anniversary, Nadula. This unit, all I did was take it out of the shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So I took it out of the shipping packaging, and the unit itself comes in this storage sack that I love because I tell y'all, it feels like weekly that I use these for everything besides storing a wig. So if I can get it out, y'all, shut up. So yeah, nice storage sack with their branding on it. They've also included a silk storage case if that is more your style. And then when I open up the wig, pull the wig over, they've included some extras. They've given us some press-on nails, 2 packs in different shades of HD wig caps, and 2 edge bands with their branding on it as well. I am going to read what I ordered directly off of here, but I'll be sure down in the description box to put all of their all of this information as well. And there might be a discount code there as well because of their anniversary sale. So be sure to look down there. This is an HD glueless wig. It is a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig, my favorite. And it is a water wave and 24 inches long. So this is going to be super duper easy. Let me take it out of the packaging so we can look at that 7x5. Look at this unit straight out of the pack. How pretty those curls are. Beautiful. And this cap construction is my favorite current cap construction, and I'll be sure to show you why. Okay, so in the front, you get that 7x5 parting space. You get a comb to the left, a comb to the right. You also get a comb in the back, some adjustable straps. A lot of these companies have stopped adding combs, so that's a plus. Then they've included an adjustable glueless band. And then my favorite, y'all, they've included a drawstring in this unit. Which now when I get a unit that has this drawstring, y'all, I don't even have to use my combs because this drawstring makes the wig mold to my head. At this point, I have so many drawstring wigs from Nadula Hair. So if water wave isn't your cup of tea, like if you want something else, now's the time to go in there and look. Like I said, it's their anniversary sale. Get you this drawstring or a drawstring wig on sale because just about everything is on sale. And you can get this drawstring in so many other textures. This won't take long at all. I'm going to put this on my head. I'll put some water or mousse on it, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. beautiful Nadula wig. So if you can't tell, I really like this one. Y'all know it's always 3 things I'm looking for. Affordability. Nadula is extremely affordable. One of the most affordable human hair wig makers on the market. This is very beginner friendly because I can't comb hair, so I always try to see, can I pull half up, half down with ease? And I can. So beginner friendliness, also check. And then quality. I knew that the quality was going to be bomb before I even pulled the wig out of the pack, because like I said, they're celebrating their anniversary sale, and for years now I have said this is some of the best human hair wig on the market. So I definitely can recommend that you go pick this one up from Nadula. The thing that I absolutely love about this wig is that drawstring, y'all. When I wear the drawstring, not having the combs, which combs can cause me a headache, the glueless strap is nice too, but I'm just really into these drawstring units right now, and this one from Nadula is no different. Definitely can recommend it. If you don't like this water wave pattern, know that they make this wig in every other texture, color that you could think of. So be sure to go check them out. Check out their anniversary sale. Happy anniversary, Nadula. Y'all talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's